Hi everybody, Brett here with another scale model Quickie. Reskit, they're back. They've recovered at least enough to keep sending stuff from all that crap in Ukraine. They're sending things out. One of the things I've been waiting for is this. The F-111 cockpit escape part for F-111F Hobby Boss kit, 1/48 scale. So as you know, F-111s, when they escape, this part ejects. This part I don't believe comes with it. So you can either build this next to your F-111, or you can cut your F-111 apart and install this into it. So I just got it. We're going to look at it. Got instructions, decals, clear parts, main body part, bulkheads, and some other parts. So let's start here. If you know Reskit, you know they make great detailed parts. This is no exception. My one question is, you see this amazing rivet detail on here, and I don't have my Hobby Boss F-111 nearby. Does the F-111 have this level of detail on it? Or are you going to have to rivet it to make it match? But it's very nice, very finely detailed. You can see once it decides, whoop, very strong. No real detail under here, but like I said, wonderful rivet detail all around. Then you get a bulkhead. This looks like it'll be the rear bulkhead back here, where the two side-by-side seats will be. Again, very detailed. You'll have to sand off this plug, of course, and do a little sanding to make it fit, but I don't see air bubbles or anything. Then we've got the front combing. Again, nicely detailed. Again, plug here you'll need to sand off, but that will go right there. Here, looks like part of the floor. I'm thinking those are the rudder pedals. And the control stick. And open this bag, it's got the most stuff in it. So we've got framing for one of the side windows because they open up, and it's got excellent rivet detail. I'm going to make this focus. There you go. I'll focus for a second. What I need to do is this, so I can't see anything else. Anyway, you saw some of the rivet detail on there. There's two of those. Here are the seats, and I'm guessing the seat belts are with the decals for the instrument panels. Here are the ejector seats. Front and back detail. I'm guessing this is one of the side instrument panels. And then, no, these are side panels. No detail on the back, just on the front. This has, looks like control columns, control sticks. This, I don't know if it's just flash, so we're going to sit it over there. And here, there's some other parts that I'm not sure what they are. I think, honestly, I think they're the cushions for the seats. These two aren't, but these four are. Cushions for the seats. So that's that bag. This bag has 3D printed parts. So here you've got scopes, control sticks, and other parts. So you got your scopes, which are hollowed out nicely, is about the depth they should be. And this one, it's got a lot of control sticks and other parts on it. I'm being careful because I don't want to break them off. And this one is the clear parts, which are outstandingly clear. I don't even see any distortion on any of those parts. Very clear. Putting those right back. And lastly, before the instructions, we have the 3D cockpit set and a little bit of photo etch. You got some clear acetate for various parts, including the heads-up display and the screens. I know you can't see it very well. You've got a die-cut mask set, am I right? For the glass canopies. Yes, die-cut mask set. Here, your instrument panels. Raise 3D, and these are by Quickie, which I haven't tried yet, but I do have some. And lastly, a bunch of photo etch, including your seat belts and supports for the canopy and just lots of little seatbelt parts. Okay, put that over there and see if we can get the camera crop where we look at the directions, the instructions. So, you've got a sprue map and your 3D decal instructions and your masking instructions and your photo etch instructions. It's going to be like a mini model. That's why I'm saying you could always display it next to your fully built F-111 if you choose to. And putting some PE orange canopies, your side windows, and putting your canopies on, your side panels on, some of the little parts that go on the side glass, and how you can mount your canopies, open or closed. If you're going to do this, I'd obviously do it open because there's so much detail in there. And finally, your PE layout and the completed build. It does not show you where to cut on your F-111. That will be something will have to be determined by you, the model builder. So, there you have it. Scale model Quickie, Reskit's F-111 cockpit with 3D decals and 3D printed parts. So, thanks for watching. Sit your ass to the bench, get yourself some upgrade parts, and build a kit. Bye for now.